Are Quay Australia sunglasses the real deal or just another trendy accessory? I've been wearing them for a while, and here's my honest take. First off, the styles are undeniably fashion-forward. Whether you're into oversized aviators, chic cat eyes, or retro ovals, Quay offers a variety of designs that can elevate any outfit. The frames are lightweight yet sturdy, making them comfortable for all-day wear. Many users appreciate the affordability, with most pairs priced under $100, offering a budget-friendly option without compromising on style. However, it's not all sunshine. Some customers have reported issues with lens durability, noting that they can scratch easily. Additionally, there have been complaints about customer service, particularly regarding delayed responses and challenges with returns or exchanges. Overall, if you're seeking stylish, affordable sunglasses to complement your wardrobe, Quay delivers. But if durability and top-notch customer service are your top priorities, you might want to explore other options. Want more honest fashion reviews? Hit like and follow for the next one.